here now. So in this video, I want to talk about conditional clause or if clause. Conditional clause describe for imaginary or possible situation and their result. Okay, now let me explain them one by one. Conditional clause type 1. Real possibility. Type 1 is used for real and possible situation in the present or future. Okay, for example, if it rains, I will stay at home. This means raining is a real possibility and the result will happen in the future. Okay, for conditional type 2, unreal or hypothetical situation. Okay, for type 2, describe an unreal condition in the present. The further is if plus past simple and will plus verb. For example, if I had more money, I will travel around the world. The meaning is I don't have no money now, so the situation is only imaginary. Conditional type 3, unreal past. Type 3 is used for situation in the past that did not happen. The further is if plus past perfect will have plus past participle. For example, if I had studied harder, I will have passed the exam. This means I didn't study hard and the result didn't happen. The pattern is if plus present simple and will plus verb. Okay, so everyone, conditional clause help us for talk about real possibility, imaginary situation, and even in the face. Okay, thank you for listening and bye bye.